So hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a design from this real cute plate from Dixie plates. It's the theme is tea party, if you hadn't guessed. So you can buy this directly from her store, but I got them from her UK sort of distributor, which is the I think it's Nail Stamping Queen. I will leave links to everything in the description box below. So I'm going to be using this new Kiki London purple polish. It's from their new spring collection. Again, I've reviewed these. I can leave a link to an iCard if you want to check out their full collection. But it's so gorgeous, and it looks gorgeous matte as well, which you'll see a bit later on. So I'm going to be stamping using these Born Pretty. They're actually colour changing stamping polishes from the, I think, was it the Illusion collection? I couldn't remember. Like I say, all details will be in the description box below, so just check it out there. So I'm kind of doing like a gradient stamping, and I'm going to do that on all of the nails. And then because I'm going to be doing some dry stamping, I'm going to be using this Shemodern product as well. So you apply it and cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds if you've got an LED lamp. And then I'm basically going to just take the certain images off of this plate, and then I'll fill it in using advanced stamping technique. So I'm just quickly showing you the images that I'm using. Some I will just place directly onto the nail like so. So I love the little flower detail on the teapot with this one. That's why I picked this one. Now normally with advanced stamping I'd probably use black, but to be honest I wanted the flowers to be white. Because obviously it's a tea party, I wanted it to be nice, sort of like springy inspired designs, so I just thought that the white looked better than black. Kind of gives that spring daisy look. So the brushes that I'm using to fill in these decals are the By Natasha Lee brushes, which they are my go-to brushes. I absolutely love them, cannot rave about the quality enough. And this is their striper brush. So I'm just using, although you might not be able to tell, just different shades of like bluey greeny colours here to fill in for the cups. Then I add like a nude colour to kind of replicate even the tea. And then because I've applied that Shemodern product, I can just place this directly onto the nail and it will stick. And that's how you do dry stamping, foolproof. And then I'm moving on and I'm filling in with these chocolate cake. I probably could have done with using a lighter brown. I kind of got the inspiration for this from Oh No It's Ruthio over on Instagram, and she must have used a lighter brown because you could kind of still see the cake details. So I wasn't 100% happy with the end look with this, but there you go. It's what it is. You know, nail art, it's trial and error. You might really like the look of this. It's meant to be like a, you know, mint choc chip cake kind of thing. And then I'm just adding some chocolates here onto the other nail. Then all you need to do is apply your layer of top coat to seal it all in. And obviously if it's gel, you need to cure it. And that is your mani done. So I think this is a super gorgeous plate. You can create many sort of tea themed nail designs with these. And this is it when the stamping polish is warmer as well. So it's kind of got that nice little twist to it. And obviously with a matte finish as well, as opposed to a glossy finish. So I hope you've enjoyed this design / review of the plate. Thank you so much for watching. Please press that free subscribe button if you've not already done so, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye Jelly Babes.